I just showed you. When you throw right cross, sometimes when you feel unsafe to go on counter move, just try to get comfortable with right cross with only your shoulder. Go. Бей меня прям в голову. Бей, бей. See? Бей, бей. Давай, бей. See the counter move here. Kostya Drew was very good with this one. So, like somebody goes with the right cross, you step over, bam, bam. That would be his like, favorite combination. So you gotta be very good on your feet. So you don't do this, guys. You lose your balance, you lose your feet. What you want to do is just a little pivot. That's all. When you do the pivot, your foot don't work like this. It works together. In fact, when you're off school, it's at home by the TV, just watching somebody boxing or whatever, try to make a pivot without actually twisting your foot. Just make sure your foot goes along with the whole body. Okay? And look at this. Step over, look at this. See? That's another way to be more safe. Just step aside kind of. Oh. Go. Oh. And so, at some moment when I feel really comfortable, I can do the cross, alright? Just to get comfortable up here.
Может даже не сбивать.